How to make a clothing brand with Wix and Printify. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two of the best platforms in their respective fields. Printify is considered one of the best print-on-demand platforms. So with this platform, all you will need to do is upload your design, and from there you can select the clothing line that you would like to add it on. Whether you'd like to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, anything at all, you'll be able to do that on Printify. And Wix is considered one of the best website builders around. Now to get started, you're going to go onto wix.com and you're going to create an account. You can do this for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI, as we want to customize our store to our liking. Once you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see Online Store. Then you're going to tap on Next. After selecting Next, you can see it is now preparing our dashboard in the background. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I'll be showing you how to incorporate the numerous features that Wix provides us with. So I want you to pay attention to the menu option on the left hand corner, as you can see right here. But before doing that, we're going to add our store name. So we'll call it Test Clothing, just for example's sake. Then tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner, and you can select your level of experience, whether you have been selling online before or you're just getting started. Then you're going to tap on Next. Then from here you can select Print on Demand Products, and you're going to tap on Next once more. After doing that, you're going to tap on Next again, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. Once you have selected Continue to Dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here we are going to simply scroll down and you are going to tap right where you see Apps in the bottom left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on App Market. After tapping on App Market, you'll be redirected to the Wix App Market, as you can see right here. Now all you will need to do is simply tap on the search bar right here in the top left hand corner, and from there you can type in Printify. So let's do that real quick. So we'll type in Printify real quick. After doing that, you're going to select Printify. Once you have selected Printify, all you'll need to do now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Editor, as we're going to be activating the Wix online store. So let's do that real quick. From here, you can tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can scroll down and you can select any one of these themes. So you can see there are numerous themes that you can choose from. I'm going to, you could tap in the box right here and type in some basic information, and then tap on Generate Site, and the Wix AI would generate some content that can be added to your website. But for the sake of saving time, we'll simply tap on the X right there. And since we are doing a clothing brand, we don't really need a lot of information. So this is how your website looks at the moment. The first thing you will need to do, let's go back into the app market. So we're going to go back into the app market. After going back into the app market, all you'll need to do now, you can simply refresh this page. So let's do that real quick. You'll search for your store right here. So you can select My New Store, then tap on Connect. Then tap on Agree and Add. After you have done that, you can see right there that our store is now connected. So all we'll need to do, you can start creating your first product. So what you're going to do next, you can tap on Browse Products at the bottom of the page. After selecting Browse Products, you can select the type of product that you'd like to add your design on. As you can see, there are numerous options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, we would like to add it on a t-shirt. So we will select t-shirt. After you have selected t-shirt, you can select your target audience or target market from the left hand menu option. So let's say for example USA, and you can select more than one options. So you can select USA, Canada, and you can select other options as you can see right there. After you have done that, you're going to select the t-shirt that best suits you. So I'm going to be selecting this bestseller right here. Then from there you can read more information about it, and you are going to tap on Start Designing. After selecting Start Designing, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can simply tap on Got It, and then from there you can see a front and back side view of your t-shirt. And all you'll need to do now to upload your design, you will go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can select Upload. And a good platform to create a design on, if you haven't created your design before, is canva.com. And with canva.com you could get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is sign up using your email address, and from there you could tap on the search bar right here, and we could type in t-shirt design. So you could do that right there. We could type in t-shirt logos. So let's do that real quick, and you can see different t-shirt designs that you could choose from. So all you'll need to do is scroll down, and you can select any one of these designs and you could customize them to your liking, as you can see right there. But for the sake of saving time, I won't do that at the moment. So all I'll simply do, let's go back into Printify. And from here, all we are going to do, we are going to simply go over to the left hand menu option, and I'm going to tap on graphics, as I'm going to be using one of their pre-made graphics, so you can see them right here. So we're going to be using this one, so you'll simply tap on it, and then you can see it has been added right there. You can change the text and so on if you want. You can also go over to the right hand menu option, and you can change the text by tapping on each section, and you can delete any text that you would want. You can tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner once you're finished. After you have done that, you can select the sizes that you would like it to be available on. So you can select the sizes right here. We can tap on Select All. After you have tapped on Select All, if you would like to edit the price, you could tap on Edit Price, or you can overall edit the profit. So let's say for example, instead of a profit margin of 40%, you would like to make a 50% profit. You could tap on 50% right there. So let's do that. We're going to tap on Edit Profit Margin, and we're going to be adding 50% right here. Then tap on Apply, and you can see right there that the profit margin has now increased. You can also scroll back up, and you can see the different mockups that you can use, as you can see right here. So you can select the mockup that you would like to use. Let's say for example that one. Then you're going to tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Publish, you can scroll down, and you can see that it is being published right there. Once it has been published, it will be added to your store automatically, as you can see right there. So all we would need to do now, we would go back into Wix. So let's go back into Wix real quick. And then from here, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to hover over Site. Once you're hovered over Site, you're going to tap on My Dashboard, as we want to go back into My Dashboard to view the product. Over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to hover over Store Products, and you're going to tap on Products. After tapping on Products, you will see the t-shirt or whatever product you have added right here. Now to delete the sample products, all you'll need to do, we can tap right here to select all products. Then we're going to unselect our product. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on More Actions, then you can tap on Delete. So we'll be deleting all of the sample products that was added. Then from here, you can view your products. So to get a better view of it, you could tap on the three dots right here, and you could tap on Edit Product. After selecting Edit Product, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you will be able to choose the mockup images. You can choose whether you would like to delete a mockup image or so on. So you can see it is loading up right here. So if you'd like to delete a mockup image, you can simply hover over it, then tap on remove image. And you can scroll down and you can see how it looks. So you can scroll down, you can change the description and so on if you want. You can also monitor the price right here. And if you would like to toggle on sale, you can do that. And if it is a case that you would like to add a custom text or so on, you can do that also. And once you're finished making your changes, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Now after adding your product, the only other thing that you'll need to do is set up payment. So to do this, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to hover over billing and payments, then select payments. After selecting payments, I want you to tap on manage payment methods. Once you have tapped on manage payment methods, from here you'll see numerous payment options you can choose from. Depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options, but you can connect your PayPal and you can also scroll down and select see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner, and from there you'll see more payment options that you can connect. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is go back into the Wix editor, and then from there you can make some minor changes to your website. So you can change how it looks. So we'll tap on setup in the top left hand corner, then tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on design site, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, it is quite easy to make changes. All you'll need to do is hover over any particular section that you would like to change with your mouse cursor, and then from there you will see the option quick edit, and you can simply tap on that and then you'll be able to edit the section. It is quite easy to edit your Wix website, and once you are finished editing the website, all you will need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will go live. And that's about it. Also, if you would like to add any other features, for example, let's say you would like to add background music or anything at all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there you'll see a list of elements that you can also add. So you can see at the moment this is how our website looks. And as I was saying, all you have to do is hover over a particular section that you want to change. Then from there, you can select quick edit and you'll see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. So for example, you can see quick edit right here. I can tap on it. Then a pop-up window will appear, and from here you can make any changes you want. So that's about it. So we'll tap on preview to see how it looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.